first thing you need to know in dumping your gray tank is where to find your dump hose. Your dump hose is located on the back of your Revel van. It is right next to the right side of the trailer hitch. And if you look under here, you're gonna see a tube. And it has a black lid with a little handle that I'm gonna flip out, and it's gonna open a circular door. Inside the circular door, inside the tube, I'm gonna pull out this dump hose that's included. We're gonna then take this around to the side, and I'm gonna show you the next steps to dumping your gray tank. Now I'm gonna come over here on the side. This is right underneath the cassette toilet, but it's totally unattached and separate. I'm gonna unscrew the safety cap. Now remember, this isn't any human waste in here. This is just really sink water and anything from the shower. This is very simple. The hose attaches behind these lugs that are attached on the drain fitting itself, and the hose screws on and clamps on very securely. I'm then gonna take my hose, I'm gonna extend it out, and I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna put it in the hole of the drain. To release the valve, there's a black handle. It's right next to the drain itself. I'm gonna pull it straight out, and you will feel a rush of water come through. To close the valve, I'm just gonna push it in. Doesn't take a lot of force. And that's basically it for dumping your Revel tank. We're gonna take our hose off, make sure it's shut. We're gonna put the cap back on. I'm gonna stow my hose back underneath the van, and off we go.